Hello and welcome to the official MOZA racing track guide for the FIA F4 Global Esports Championship on iRacing. This week's guide is Winton National for the Asia Pacific region, and the guide's been provided by myself, Sambo iRacing. Let's start the hot lap. So we're smashing it down the main straight, looking for this entry road on the right hand side. As we get there, we're going to brake up to about 70%, quick trail off down to fourth gear, back on the gas, absolutely flat through turn 2, quite bumpy on exit. Now we're looking for this 50-meter board on the left hand side once again, braking up to about 60%, down to third gear, exit nice and wide, little bit slippy. As we get to the start of the green asphalt, that's when we're going to do a little lift, back on the gas, get over to the right hand side, and we're just going to turn in. Now we're going to start doing a lift as we hit this apex, back on the gas in fourth gear. Now as we get to the outside of the track, we're going to start our braking for turn 7, braking up to about 50%, long trail off down to second gear, back on the gas over to the right hand side. Now just before we get to the curbing on the left hand side, we're going to do a light brake up to about 20%, long trail off, and the same just as we get to the Marshall's Hut, which is just off to the right of the site here. You can see it once you're on a monitor though. Braking up to about 40%, and again a long trail off, back on the gas in second gear, heading over to the right hand side of the track. And now we're looking for the 50-meter board on the left hand side. As we get there, braking up to about 80%, down to second gear, exit nice and wide, back over to the left hand side of the track. And once again we are looking for the 50-meter board on the right hand side here, braking up to about 80%, once again down to third gear, exit nice and wide. And as we get to the end of the rumble strip, exactly where I am now, we're going to do lightly on the brakes up to about 25%, back on the gas, pin our ears back as we look for the start finish line, and over and across we go in a 1:17.1. Join us again this week on iRacing for the FIA F4 Global Esports Championship presented by MOZA.